Hey, so if you want to research faster and understand complex topics easily, yeah, Google Gemini can be a powerful tool. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini for research in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Start a new chat. Next, ask a clear research question. So be specific about what topic you want to explore. All right, request detailed explanations. Gemini can break down complex topics into simple ideas. Now use it to summarize long content. Paste articles or notes and get quick summaries. Next, ask for examples or references so you can better understand how concepts work in real life. All right, organize your findings. Ask Gemini to create outlines or structured notes. And yeah, ask follow-up questions. Go deeper into specific areas to improve your research quality. So that's how you use Google Gemini for research. Once you use it properly, you can save time and learn more effectively.